Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Notability and GoodNotes 6 to see which is the ultimate note-taking tool right now. We tested both for weeks and here's what we discovered. Notability is known for its simplicity, smooth handwriting, and seamless audio recording synced to notes, perfect for lectures or meetings. GoodNotes 6, on the other hand, offers powerful organization, advanced search across handwritten notes, and wider range of templates for planning, journaling, and studying. When we compare them, for handwriting experience, both felt natural, but GoodNotes 6 had slightly better pen customization. For organization, GoodNotes 6's folder system is more flexible, while Notability keeps things minimal and quick. For audio features, Notability takes the win here with its real-time synced audio notes. For cross-platform, GoodNotes 6 now works on more devices, but Notability still feels smoother on iPad. If you want speed, audio syncing, and clean interface, go with Notability. If you need powerful organization, customization, and long-term study tools, choose GoodNotes. Honestly, many of us end up using both depending on the project. Thanks for watching! Which team are you on, Notability or GoodNotes? Let us know in the comments below. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.